Hey watchers of this video, this is a short overview video of the car that I have for sale. 2004 Renault Megane, Renault Sport 225. So the car is 15 years old this year, and for its age it doesn't look too bad. The main blemish I would want to point out is that all the rims are pretty nicely curved. I'm not gonna go over them individually, they're all curved. But other than that, from the outside, looks pretty solid. Of course there's some age-related scratches here and there. This bumper doesn't line up real well, but other than that, looking mostly tidy. As you can see, there are a few little blemishes here and there, but nothing major. Let's see, maybe I remember a few more. I know that there's one here. Other than that though, it's looking pretty tidy from the outside. Eagle-eyed of you might have noticed that the bonnet didn't line up, but I just had it open beforehand already. So your regular 2-liter twin-scored turbo engine has an aftermarket intake. It's remapped, so running a bit more horsepower, something near 260, 258 or something in those lines. I'll have the dyno chart on the screen, but as you can see, looking pretty normal down here. I have pictures of the engine without the engine cover, so let's not delve too deep here. When you close the bonnet, it lines up pretty well with the car, so not too bad. Let's look in. Looking pretty tidy. All I've done is I vacuumed the car yesterday. Driver's seat is always gonna be worn like this on any car, especially of this age, so nothing special other than the little wear and tear, which is normal. They're pretty tidy. Let's look at the back quickly, because there's not much to see there. I don't think too many people have sat there, so rear seats are pretty fresh, and the carpets are, so down there, are clean and normal. Nothing to point out. Sitting at the driver's seat, let's get the mileage on the scoreboard. 130,251 miles. It has keyless go, but the passenger side door doesn't seem to work at all, and the driver's side door works from time to time. Key there. Aftermarket radio, so obviously the radio controls on the steering wheel. And let's see if we can get it. There's some radio controls behind there. They don't work, but the radio has Bluetooth, so I don't know. I reckon the loss of the buttons functionality is worth the Bluetooth functionality. This down here is looking a bit tatty, but I mean, that's just something that will degrade over time. And the center console is also sticky at some spots, like from here, so it happens over time to other cars too. For example, an Audi RS6, which should be way more quality, from year 2003, had the same issue with some rubber coating peeling off the plastic. Anyway, let's fire it up when we were here. So the car has been sat for a moment. Fires right up. If I would point out something, then the heater, sometimes if you drive for a long time, it will work on 4. It needs some warming up, but other than that, it will blow decently on 3, and 2 and 1 are not really noteworthy. So at least it blows air, so it's not the end of the world. And as I said, it will work eventually on 4, but it just needs some time. So let's go out, listen to the noises the car makes. There's some sort of pulley is whining under the bonnet. Haven't paid too much interest to that. The back working normally. It doesn't smoke overly. It has, I'll just put it on the screen and it's gonna be in the advert. It has something done to the exhaust. I'm not sure. Some back box has been removed or changed, so it pops and crackles when you hit it. So the trunk is also nice and clean. Nothing special down here either. Some octane booster which I haven't used because I only refuel with Tesco 97 or 99, or I've refueled in Shell or BP, always with quality fuel, so I just have it in case. And it's tidy down there too. I'm not gonna pull this stuff up because it's a pain in the ass to get back. But yeah, this is it in general. So a quick little tour around the car. I hope it helps the sale progress. So who was with me this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.